Alright everyone, Chris here with a copy of OS2 Warp version 3. Uses your existing DOS and Windows. Yes, this is a boxed, still sealed copy of IBM's OS2 Warp from early mid-90s. Looks better than it is on the camera, but the shrink wrap is in pretty poor shape. It started to get really nasty. This is the red spine version that requires, uses your existing DOS and Windows. I got this for, it looks like $6 back around December 2009. I was at a local Goodwill and saw that it was available and thought, oh man, it's OS2, it's old computer software, this is awesome. So I thought, why not buy it? And it's been in my collection for a while, but it's been mostly stored away due to lack of space. And it hasn't held up well in storage. The shrink wrap is pretty nasty. It's yellowed. Looks a lot less yellow in the viewfinder, but I can guarantee you it's pretty bad. And the box isn't in the absolute best shape, but it is pretty nice, and I wanted to at least have something that was display worthy. So it's been 5 years of it sealed. I figured I might as well record the unboxing of it because, well, why not? Might be interesting to somebody. Alrighty, we are ready to do this. So let's go on and look at it still sealed one more time. The new 32-bit multitasking, multimedia, internet accessed, crash protected, Windows friendly, totally cool way to run your computer. IBM was really pushing this. I mean, from what I heard and seen, it's not a bad operating system, but it's just not anything too special. Alright, it's been factory sealed for... trying to find out exactly how long this has been sealed, but honestly, I don't know. Copyright 1987, 1995, so this has been sealed for almost 20 years. So let's go on and finally break the seal. Bumping the camera there. No big. That's part that's a problem. It's a little damaged right there. And the plastic is in, well, the box itself is actually in pretty decent shape. The plastic is what's mostly yellowed. The box isn't looking 100%, but it actually is really yellowed, but that could just be due to age. I don't know. But here we go. Let's see what's inside. And we have the bonus pack. IBM Works, online access, and more. Oh man, this is... Notice to users of internet service. You are about to embark on an adventure that spans the globe. Information can be accessed across countries and cultures. These sources of information belong to many different organizations, companies, governments, and people around the world. Certain internet services may contain language or pictures which some individual may find offensive, inflammatory, or of an adult nature. Adult is capitalized. I don't know how well you can see that. That's kind of funny. Such contents are the sole responsibility of the internet service provider. We do not endorse such materials and disclaim any and all liability for their contents. The bonus pack manual is just a manual. IBM program license agreement, and holy crap, that's a lot of floppies. And that's just the bonus material. Jeez, how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 floppy disks just for the bonus material. Now these are 5 1/4 floppy, so it isn't so bad, but still, I mean, jeez. This was in 1995. I mean, I guess it was designed mostly for 386s, and, well, Windows 95 would have been brand new in August, so what do you expect? The user's guide to OS2 Warp in immaculate condition. Oh, this is a beauty. This is why I finally decided to open it, because I realized, wait a minute, the box is so heavy. This is old school computer software. It's gonna have a killer manual and all kinds of other awesome crap with it. This is going to be cool to read through. I have some Commodore 128 manuals, and they're fun to check out. OS2 registration card. That's pretty sweet. Wonder if I send it into IBM if I get anything in response. Probably a message back saying, what the heck's wrong with you? I don't even know if that's their address anymore or not. Got the program license agreement for OS2, Warp version 3, customer service and support card with, well, it's not going to matter, a support number. I guess it would be the serial number, the registration number. The license key. This is pretty cool. Nice cardboard. Sources and solutions directory. Oh my, what is this, a giant catalog? Oh my god, it is. It's just a giant database of like every company imaginable. I don't know how good you guys can see this. I hope this video's come out well, but oh man, this is, what is that? Oh my god. Moving on. There's an ad using babies' butts with the URL over it. Oh yeah, it's categorized with like device drivers, information management, networking, utilities. Oh, this is crazy. I wonder how many of these companies still exist. Oh, they're trying to sell fonts. Adobe Type and ATM offers inside as low as $29. All those fonts that you can find on the internet for free. Some of these come default with Windows 8 and OS 10 and other stuff. OS2 Warp common questions. Can I play my favorite games under OS2 Warp? There's over 200 games all. Is OS2 Warp offered on 5 1/4 inch discs? No, OS2 Warp is available on 3 and 5 inch diskettes or CD. Blah blah, reconfigure drive B. God. Can I do OS2 Warp on a compressed drive? DOS compressors. Oh, this is receiving an error. This is great because it's like they actually, back then companies actually cared if you had a problem to at least address the most common complaints. They didn't totally blame it on the users. Ironically, nowadays it is mostly the user's fault. No offense to some users, but I mean, people could really, stand to learn how to use a computer. Developer materials and all kinds of other news articles. Installing OS2 Warp on an Aptiva. Please read this. Okay. Your IBM Aptiva computer came installed with Microsoft Windows 3.11. Before you begin to install this new OS2 Warp, please call the OS2 technical support team. Their direct support telephone number and other information are provided with the customer service and support brochure that came with your OS2 Warp package. Yeah, I guess there were some issues with that. Installation information about the discs. The OS2 Warp license information in a book form. Wow. That's funny because Microsoft and IBM spent so much money trying to develop this, and then Microsoft decided, you know what, we're going to stick with our NT division and we're going to release consumer Windows. And IBM was just like, whatever. And finally, at the bottom of the box, we have the actual discs. Installation discs for OS2 Warp. Oh man. They're not even really numbered. Like if you look on it, I don't see any kind of like sequential numbering, and I don't want to open these up. These are going to stay sealed. But it's 4 discs and a little foam divider at the bottom. That's it. Or 4 sets of discs, excuse me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 floppy disks. That's not bad. I forget how many the floppy-based version of Windows 95 had, but it was a lot. But so that was really it. There isn't much to say on this, but that is that's your OS2 Warp version 3 on 3 and 5 inch. 3.5 inch, excuse me, floppy disks. Well, it's about what I expected. It's about what I expected, but I mean, this was just crazy to see. Sources and solutions manual. customer service and support book's kind of cool. Registration card, but this user's guide to OS2 Warp is what's awesome. I'm gonna have fun reading through that. Nope. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna clean this mess up. Hope everyone has a great day. Later.